Really easy to change the temperatures on both sides, the refrigerator side and the wine storage side. Shelves come out real nice and easy. There's plenty of them. Again, really easy to use. Up or down. Lights. No lights. Same thing on the other side. Lights. No lights. Beautiful refrigerator. You will not be disappointed. And it looks great on my new bar unit. Can't get any closer. The back of the couch is in the way. Hope this helps.
Here's my new 8-bottle wine cooler. Very spacious. Stepped up from a 6-bottle to an 8. If you only drink wine a little bit at a time, this is the perfect size. When I first got it, I honestly thought it was broken because it was making no noise, but it's just really that quiet. It's a lot quieter than my 6-bottle. Just have to sit on a little table for now. And then you can change Fahrenheit, Celsius, turn the light on and off, and then whatever temp you want it. Usually whatever kind of wine you have inside, you can look up online the recommended temperature, and it cools it right down to it. So we love it. We'll be using it for a long time.